In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Icons 8 plugin to find and select icons. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the plugin, browse or search for the right icon, and make a clean selection without any confusion. Start by locating the Actions icon in your interface. It's usually in the main toolbar and opens a menu with additional tools. Click on it to reveal more options. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find all the add-ons that extend your workspace. Opening this panel is important because it centralizes everything you can run without leaving your current project. In the search field within Plugins and Widgets, type Icons 8. This helps you quickly narrow down the list and find the plugin you need. When you see Icons 8 in the results, click on it to bring up its details. Next, click Run. Running the plugin opens its panel so you can interact with it directly and avoid jumping between windows. Inside the Icons 8 panel, click on Icons. This is the core section for browsing visual assets. You'll see a curated grid or list of icon options that you can scroll through. If you have a style in mind, take a moment to glance over the variety you see: solid, outline, and other familiar looks, so you're selecting something that fits your design. You can choose the icons you want by simply scanning through and identifying a match for your needs. If you already know what you're looking for, you can also search the icons that you want. Use clear, specific keywords. For example, search calendar, upload, or email instead of longer phrases. If your first search returns too many results, try adding a more descriptive term, like calendar outline, to narrow things down. If nothing shows up, check for typos or try singular versus plural words. When you're ready, click on the icon you want. This action confirms your selection and applies it according to your current context, such as inserting it into your layout or queuing it for use in your design. If the preview looks good, you're set. If not, simply return to icons to pick another option or refine your search. That's the full flow. Open the Actions menu, head to Plugins and Widgets, search and open Icons 8, run it, enter the icons section, browse or search, and then click the icon you want. Follow these steps and you'll be able to add clean, consistent icons to your project quickly and confidently.